Welcome to Day 4 at Lakme Fashion Week, presented by NEXA. Let's get going. Here we are with the models rehearsing for the NEXA Show. Are you excited about tonight's NEXA Show for Raghavendra Rathore?
Hell yeah, always. Yes.
I'm wearing Raghu. You can see how excited I am.
Quite excited. I want to see what he does with the women's collection.
4 seasons at Lakme Fashion Week. How has the collaboration been?
We are very glad about this collaboration, and it gels very well with our philosophy of NEXA about giving new lifestyle experiences to our customers.
We have this concept called Create and Inspire, and we strongly believe that Lakme Fashion Week has been able to really inspire so many designers. As far as Raghavendra Rathore is concerned, he really kind of exudes elegance, and that is what NEXA stands for.